Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 8a, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, you will want to locate the hotspot toggle, which looks that it might not be added by default. At least I don't see it. So we're going to tap right here on this pencil, swipe down, and here we have our hotspot. Once you see it, you want to grab it by holding it and then drag it to the top, drop it, and when we go back, it will stay added. So there it is. Now, once you have it in your toggles, again, hold the toggle here, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And in here, we're going to select hotspot password. This is the first thing that I would recommend changing, because as you can see, it is randomly generated. Now, without navigating here, you have actually no way of knowing what it is set to. Anyway, once you get rid of it, you can set up your own new password, which will have at least 8 characters in length. That's the minimum characters that it needs to have. From there, you can select OK to save the changes. Now, we have a bunch of other options in here, but I would recommend keeping them as they are set by default. This will ensure that your hotspot works with most devices. So you will have the least amount of problems. It might not work the fastest compared to some other options that can change here, but it will guarantee you that it basically works with anything that can connect to a network. So once this is all set, you can close this and find the toggle once more, and this time around simply tap on it to enable it. Now in the settings, there is an option to turn off hotspot automatically, which is enabled by default. So when you're done using it, it will start like a 10-minute countdown or something like that. And once it detects that nothing is utilizing your hotspot for this period of time, it will then automatically turn off. You can also turn off the hotspot yourself by tapping on the toggle once more. And you want to probably have that enabled, I would say, the automatic turn off, or at least remember in this case to turn off manually, because hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.